So today we are going to create a clean makeup look that looks aesthetic yet minimal. This is definitely my favorite as anyone can easily create this. So for the hair, we're going to need all these things, starting with the tail comb, bobby pins, elastic rubber bands, and to set the baby hairs, we're going to need a hair fixing spray and a shine spray. So I'll spray the fixer on a comb and then I'll start pulling all my hair in upward direction and tie a really tight sleek ponytail. Now once I'm done with the hair, for that wet and shiny effect, I'll use a sparkling spray. Now my hair is completed and it looks super clean. Now let's get into the makeup. So I want a very fresh and dewy look. So for that, one of the most important thing is hydration. So I've used one of my favorite moisturizer, that is from Bioderma. Makeup sits a lot better and looks more natural on the skin after using a hydrating moisturizer. So for a clean makeup look, it shouldn't look like we are using a foundation. It should look like your skin only. So use a concealer which matches exactly your skin tone. This is the concealer from Too Faced in the shade Light Beige. And if you're someone like me who's having acne marks or discoloration, just use it on top of that to have that clean base. Now to keep it natural and lifted, I'll be contouring with the Charlotte Tilbury contour stick. So we will not be going in with anything heavy, as clean makeup is all about keeping it minimal. To keep it natural, I apply a very small amount wherever I have natural shadows, that is forehead, nose, cheekbones. At the same time, I'll go in with a lighter shade of concealer just to brighten up these areas. And now with the same brush, I'll blend in both the concealer and the contour. For the blush part, I'm going in with a powder product. I'm using this one from Tarte Cosmetics in the shade Doll Face. It's the prettiest shade of pink, very light, very natural, and it literally makes you feel like you're blushing from the inside. Next up, I'm going to use this brow pomade from Anastasia, and we're going to have a very clean look. So to keep the eyebrows clean, just brush them up, give them a good shape, and fill in the gaps. Now I won't be using any false lashes. It's a very minimal look, so I'll just go in with the mascara. Using this one from Tarte Cosmetics. Now let's do the lips, and I'll be using a darker shade of lipstick to overline my lips. And not using any lipstick in the center, I'll just go in with a Fenty gloss. And I just love this one because it gives that shine and a little touch of pink to my lips. Now obviously we need to fix all of this makeup in place, and we can't be doing that using a powder because we want that glass finish to be there. So I'm using this fixing spray from MAC, and I'll spray it in my blender and dab it all over my face. And here is our final look. Let me know in the comments if you guys liked it. And if you want to see more such tutorials, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye bye.